Welcome learners at the Center for Innovative and Skill-Based Courses under the Open Learning Development Center, School of Open Learning, campus of Open Learning, University of Delhi. We are excited to announce the launch of several finance, accounting and taxation related courses. We are offering 5 certificate courses. First one is certificate course in accounting with tally integration. Second one is certificate course in busy accounting software. Third one is certificate course in goods and services tax. Fourth one is certificate course in advanced accounting. And the fifth one is certificate course in financial accounting and financial management. The duration of these courses ranges from 2 to 3 months, and in this short time, learners will acquire valuable skills that will help them secure good jobs with attractive salaries in today's competitive job market. If learners pursue these courses from other institutes, they may charge huge fees. However, University of Delhi has made these courses available at affordable rates, ensuring learners can grow in their careers without financial barriers. Any student who has completed 12th grade in any stream, accounting professionals can join these courses. So I appeal students to kindly visit Center for Innovative Skill-Based Courses, which is quite opposite to the Khalsa College, and kindly take all possible information here at the center, and we will be here to give you full assistance. Thank you.